As populations grow, short-term solutions to environmental issues increase pressure on our rivers, landscapes and ecosystems. Clean and plentiful water is essential for life, a vital natural asset supporting nature, communities and business. However, business decisions are often made without valuing the long-term benefits of protecting and enhancing our natural capital. Changes are needed to ensure we deliver more sustainable solutions for both business and the environment. Typically, businesses invest in increasingly complex and costly chemical treatment facilities. However, investment in alternative or supplementary nature-based approaches, such as wetlands, can provide more sustainable and cost-effective results. By using natural processes, they help purify the water and provide a range of additional ecosystem services, such as wildlife habitat, additional water storage, reduced flood risk, lower carbon levels, and natural recreational spaces for us all to enjoy. By working in partnership to incorporate natural capital within business decisions, we can create beautiful and sustainable ecosystems. To guarantee our natural capital continues to provide for future generations, we must act now. Otherwise, we face losing them forever.